I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey there, Alex here. As you guys can see from this short little montage, earlier this morning, Google held an event in Singapore to launch the Pixel 3a locally. Essentially, it's all about getting that excellent camera experience from the Pixel 3 into a phone that is more affordable. I was able to get my hands on a review unit, and so far, it seems pretty promising. In case you were wondering, this entire video was shot on the Pixel 3a. I'll need more time with the phone to do a full review, so stay tuned for that. Thanks, and see you guys on the next one.